Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, it's all about food and things men should avoid taking. Especially these things are what men should avoid taking. These three things are what men need to avoid for every man to live a healthy life, for every man to perform well, and for every man to live longer. He must avoid these three things. So men should avoid these three things. These three things are killing every man's health. Any man that takes this must not perform as expected. So for any man to perform well or to achieve a long life, he must avoid these three things. But before I continue, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep them. If you care for this kind of videos, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good content like this. Let's proceed. What are the three things men need to avoid? These three things are very detrimental. These three things are very harmful for any man to live long or to do his job perfect. He must learn to avoid these three things. It is very simple and it can be avoided, but you have to start from somewhere. So what are these three things? Number one is sugar. Much intake of sugar can cause a weight gain, and the more you are taking sugar, the more sugar is accumulating inside your body. And much sugar causes erectile dysfunction, and much sugar also causes a belly fat. So the more you are taking sugar, the more likely to gain weight, and gaining weight from sugar is very detrimental and very harmful. It's not good for every man to consume much sugar, especially added sugar. You can take fruits, and sugar from fruits are not included because those ones are natural, but added sugar are very harmful to the health. So I will advise every man out there to avoid taking added sugar. Do you know what I mean by added sugar? Added sugar is a sugar that you will put in your diet or in your meal. Maybe you want to take a tea or a coffee. Those added sugar you are adding are very harmful, especially in men's health. So avoid added sugar to live long and to control your erectile function. Number two is alcohol. Alcohol is very bad because it affects our mental ability. It also affects our emotion. And the more you are taking alcohol, the more likely the man in particular must behave in a particular way, that is, misbehaving. His thinking and his response will not be as it is before. And the more you are taking alcohol, the more it can harm your health and also disrupt your erectile function. So alcohol is very harmful. I will advise every man not to take alcohol, but even if you want to take alcohol, let it be on occasion, not daily. Don't form it as habit of taking alcohol. Avoid alcohol to live a long life. Number three, and the final thing every man should avoid, is smoking. At least you can see in a cigarette pack where they wrote that smokers are liable to die young. This is a very good advice, and it is very good to learn from that advice, due to that smoke will affect your liver, affect some areas or some functions in your body. So avoid smoking to live a long life. So these three things are what men should avoid to live long, to perform well, and to do everything they wish to do perfectly. Because good health is good life, good job, and good performance. So to get good performance, good life, you must avoid these three things, especially for a healthy life and to live long. I hope you enjoy this video and you get value from this video. If you do well to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel to be a member of this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good content like this. In fact, comment on this video, let me know what you think. If you get value, comment on this video. If you did not, comment on this video, let me know what you think. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.